Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so nothing blocks the removal. First, make sure the iPhone is charged and on a trusted Wi-Fi network. You need connectivity. Next, sign into the Apple ID if prompted so you can access settings. This is required to turn off activation lock. Once done, open Settings and tap your name. These steps let you reach Find My, which is the control that links the device to the Apple ID. Proceed now to the account controls. You need to disable Find My to remove the Apple ID. This is the critical middle step. In Settings, tap your name, then Find My iPhone, toggle it off. The system will ask for the Apple ID password to confirm. Enter it because that detaches activation lock from this device. If two-factor authentication is enabled, approve the sign-in on your trusted device or enter the 2FA code shown. After that, sign out from Settings to clear the account locally. Now complete the removal by erasing the iPhone. This finalizes unlinking. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then erase all content in Settings. Enter the device passcode and the Apple ID password when prompted so the erase can disable activation lock. Once the process finishes, verify the device no longer appears under your iCloud devices or via iCloud. Troubleshooting tip. If you cannot access the Apple ID or 2FA,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.